In this video, we will be highlighting interesting facts about Houston, Texas. To start off, here's a few interesting facts. Houston is known for its diverse and vibrant culinary scene. Here are some foods that the city is famous for. Tex-Mex, combining elements of Mexican and Texas flavors. Tex-Mex dishes like fajitas, enchiladas, and queso are popular in Houston. Barbecue. Houston has a strong barbecue culture, with numerous restaurants serving up mouth-watering smoked meats like brisket, ribs, and pulled pork. Gulf Coast seafood. With its proximity to the Gulf of Mexico, Houston offers fresh seafood dishes such as shrimp, oysters, and fish. Vietnamese cuisine. Houston has a thriving Vietnamese community, and dishes like pho, banh mi, and spring rolls are widely enjoyed. Crawfish boils, especially popular during crawfish season. These events feature boiled crawfish with corn, potatoes, and spices. As you can see, this video is packed with a lot of information. This video has a list of indoor and outdoor malls. Also the top 5 restaurants to eat at in Houston, Texas, and the history of the city. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Last but not least, please watch this video till the end to retrieve all the information. The background music has been handpicked just for you. Thanks for supporting our community. Talk to you in the next video. Enjoy.